I want to show you a crazy AI side hustle that literally none of the online gurus are talking about. And none of the online gurus are talking about this because this is so cutting edge that this hasn't even been released to the public. I literally just got early access yesterday to this brand new AI software side hustle just to show you in this video. So what this means is you could literally be one of the first ones to get in on this before the rest of the world even knows this exists. And one of my favorite things about this is it's perfect for beginners. You don't need any prior marketing experience, tech skills, or some large upfront investment to get started. Now, I know you've probably heard things like this before, trying side hustle after side hustle just to meet the next dead end, but I promise you this is different. I get it. You're overworked, burned out, and tired of putting your time and energy into just another side hustle, another shiny object that just doesn't work. I get it because I've been there before. I know what that early struggle is like. And because I've been there before, I have nothing to sell you in this video. No course or coaching program. In fact, I'm going to give you everything 100% for free to duplicate this exact AI side hustle that I'm going to show you in this video. All you have to do is just smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment down below. And I'll share with you a private link where you can unlock my free step-by-step course, all the templates and the sales scripts so you can get started with this exact model. Because I truly believe that if this helped me find time and financial freedom, it can help you too. This could be the moment that changes everything for you. So with that said, let me show you the simple 3-step business model, and then I'm going to show you how to set it up step by step. So just come over here on my computer. If we pop this up here, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be helping small local business owners, and we're going to help them with a simple AI automation. And I promise you, you have not seen this before because like I said, I have early beta access. This is not even being released yet. And with this simple service, you could easily charge $300 to $500 per month per client. Now, what we're going to be doing for these small local businesses is we're going to be setting them up with something called an AI employee. So these small local businesses, think about a plumber, electrician, a dentist, massage therapist, whatever type of small business owner that you want to work with, they are getting calls coming into their business every single day. And honestly, not all these small businesses, think about like a real estate agent, a massage therapist, a chiropractor, they don't all have the budget to hire an assistant or a secretary just to manage the phone calls. So what if we could set them up with an AI employee that we can train one time to answer all the phone calls, collect all the data, the contact information, and why they're calling, and store it into a database for the business owner so they can go and review everyone who called while they're busy doing the massage or fixing someone's teeth or whatever the business owner does. And then they can just go back and see everyone who called, what they were calling about, and know exactly how to reach out to every single one of these clients. And I'm not only going to set it up for you guys in this video, but I'm going to actually demo it live so you can see exactly how this works because this is so cool. One of the most cutting edge technologies that I've personally seen with AI. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to pull up this AI automation software so you can see everything, how we're setting this all up. And so what we're going to do is come over here to the settings, and we're going to click on something called an AI agent. So this is creating our own AI employee right here. And you can see I've already set up a couple test demos right here, but all we have to do, and this goes back to showing you that total beginners can make this happen. You don't need any crazy tech skills or marketing experience. And honestly, I'm hooking you guys up with all of my courses, step-by-step training, templates, scripts for free. And then I'll even hook you up with an extended 30-day free trial to the software so you can start getting your first paying clients before you even have to pay for this software. I mean, how cool is that, right? So all we got to do is come up here to create an agent. And then we are just going to give the agent a name. So we're just going to say YouTube Demo AI Agent, right? And then you're going to have the business name. So we're just going to have Demo Business. And then we're going to say, okay, right now it's only for inbound calls. However, here very soon, you can see coming soon, this AI employee is also going to be able to make outbound calls. So if you think about like appointment reminders for like a dentist, for example, yes, you get the reminder text, but what if we could have an AI employee, instead of an assistant or secretary that we have to pay $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 per month just to go through, pick up the phone and make all these calls, something that they don't want to do anyway? What if we could have this AI employee just do all these outbound calls as well? Which that is also coming soon, which I'll do that in another video once it is released. Okay, so but the inbound calls, let's say somebody who calls in trying to set up an appointment. So this agent's initial message, this is what is going to be voiced. And I'm just going to move my head here so you guys can see everything. It says, hey, you have reached, and then you put in the business name. So I'm just going to put in the test business. And obviously you're going to put in whatever the business name is, whoever you're working with. How can I help you today? All right, so that's kind of the first step right there. Now we're just going to click on next, and we're going to say, okay, this is the basic mode right here, which will show you the advanced mode here in just a second. It says the agent's goals, set up agent's personality and actions, details to collect from the contact. So when somebody calls in, what information do we want to collect? So we probably want to collect their name, probably their email address, maybe even their physical address, depending on the business, and then the contact's issue. Like, why are they calling in? Are they calling in because they've got back pain or they've got a root canal they needed to be taken care of? Whatever it is. And you might be looking at this and be like, well, why doesn't it pick up the phone number? Well, when the phone number is calling in to this AI employee, the system will automatically pull in that phone number. And I'll show you guys that here in just a second when we do the live demo. Okay, so, or you could go switch to advanced mode and you could give it a prompt. So you could say, okay, my AI employee, this is the background. Okay, you are my AI agent 406. You could give it a name. You can call it Sally, Leo, Jerry, whatever you want to call it, a dedicated customer support specialist at whatever the business name is, right? And so then say your goal is to collect contact information, objection handling. You could give it all this information. It's already kind of pre-built in here. Or you can go and customize any of the prompts of how you want the AI bot to be trained. And so what we're going to do for this one, I'm just going to click on basic mode just to keep it simple. Then we're just going to click on next, and then we're going to select a phone number. And this is a phone number that we've already got set up with the system. But for this example, I've already set one up. I just wanted to kind of show you guys a simple process. All we would do is click save, and it's ready to go. So I've already set one up, so I'm just going to click on cancel. Sure you want to cancel? Yes. And then I'm going to go over here to this test agent right here. So I'm going to call this phone number, and I'm going to show you exactly how this works because this is pretty amazing watching this AI agent work. And honestly, there's not really any lag time or anything crazy like that. So I'm just going to pull my screen up right here, and so you guys can watch this whole example.
Hey, you have reached Jason Wardrop's team. How can I help you today?
I'm looking for some more information on their cool AI automation software.
Got it. I'll have a team member reach out to you with all the details. Can I get your name, please?
Yeah, it's Jason Wardrop.
Just to make sure I've got it right, your name is Jasonwardrop. Is that correct?
Correct.
Great, thanks. Could you please provide your email address so we can contact you?
Yes, it's jwar1088@gmail.com.
Just to make sure I've got it right, your email address is jwar1088@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yes.
Perfect. Lastly, could you tell me a bit more about what specific information or issue you're looking to address with the AI automation software?
I'm just looking into the pricing, and I want to just kind of get a little bit more of a rundown of how it works.
Got it. I'll make sure a team member reaches out to you with all the pricing details and an overview of how the software works. Thanks for reaching out, Jason. Have a great day.
How cool was that? That was pretty crazy, right? That was an AI agent that we just trained in a matter of minutes. I hope you can see that literally every small local business owner is going to have this within the next couple of years. So you are on the cutting edge. You are one of the very first ones to know about this exact service that you can start selling to these small local businesses. And if you compare this to hiring an actual assistant or a secretary, it's a no-brainer for them to pay $300 to $500 per month. And I showed you in the advanced mode that you can even train the bot to even collect more information or whatever it needs to do to help this business. So this is going to save these small businesses a ton of time, a ton of money, and you will be the first one in your area to offer this simple AI employee service to the small businesses. You could target whatever business that you want to because probably none of them have seen this or heard of it. So when you go and set this up and demo it for them, which I showed you guys. Setup takes about 5 minutes. It's a one-time setup, and there's no ongoing setup or anything like that you have to maintain, but it's going to continually provide massive value to these small businesses on a monthly ongoing basis. So they're going to want to pay you $300 to $500 per month for this service. And then just think about it. What if you got 3 clients? Even 3 clients paying you $300 per month, that's $900 per month that you'd be making from this one simple AI side hustle. Then if you got 5 clients, 10 clients, and the numbers go up, you can see how this can compound into a full-time income that if you wanted to, you could ultimately quit your 9-to-5 job and just do this full-time, setting up these small local businesses with this simple AI employee. So if you guys like this, if you guys want to go through and try it out, like I said, just smash the like button, drop a comment down below. I'll share with you the private link to go get early beta access to all of this. Remember, this is not 100% fully officially released yet, but you will be one of the first ones to get access to this and be able to go and get your entire business set up, start contacting these small local business owners, and be able to demo it to them so you can start making sales. So anyway, guys, I hope that was helpful. Look forward to seeing you guys in the members community. And with that said, I'll see you later. A quick shout out to our sponsor, AIMessageBots.com. You can now use AI bot automation to automatically book more appointments for your business. So go to AIMessageBots.com right now to learn more and start your free trial. A quick shout out to our sponsor, LaunchMySoftware.com. You can sell custom AI software to small business owners who already want to buy, and you can keep 100% of the profits. Go to LaunchMySoftware.com right now to learn more and start your extended 30-day free trial.